Hi guys. Today we're gonna unbox the Pan Am 747 and the Air Force One 747. I even brought my UPS 747 for comparison. So let's get unboxing. First we're gonna unbox the Pan Am 747. I've always wanted this model since I collected Darren models, and now that wish came true. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I got these models from Museum of Flying in Santa Monica. They costed $30. Sorry for taking a while, the box is just sealed tightly that I can't open with scissors. Okay, here is the model. There may be some dust, if so just wipe it with your fingers. The mold is a little different than my UPS, but it feels a little stronger. Besides, the model is painted, which makes Darren planes better. I just found out that there isn't a real toy logo in the plane anymore, it's just the Darren logo. There's the registration in the background art. Here's the comparison to a UPS 747. You can see the difference is quickly kinda. You may not understand why I was talking about the logo stuff, I'll show you now. In the UPS the real toy logo is there. And the Pan Am only has the Darren logo. I'm sure you saw the logos. If you didn't, if you just bought a Darren plane and you have an old one, do a comparison. That's all with the Pan Am. Now let's unbox the AF1. I've also wanted this model, same reason like Pan Am. I've always had the same struggle with scissors. Okay, I finally got it out. Okay, I can finally hold it. The ties are stick to the model somehow, but it's out. The paint feels nice. I think the mold changed since Darren put their logo at the bottom. By the way, it feels nice. The horizontal stabilizer seems loose, but it's fine anyways. I've wanted these to recreate a disaster, if you know you know. Well, the comparison with the UPS seems the same. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, even though editing took 1 hour.